All right, let's get into it before we run out of time. In the top level variables, we have this new section. We have two buffers of GTX and GTY coordinates. These are paired arrays, and this is the number of usable coordinates within that paired array. Within the MIRMAID function section, within editor put U32 sim bilateral, we have started to add the code. So here's our bilateral setup code. Tile size exponent layer and the binary tile value are just carried over. We're dropping the I. Here is the local lateral span using the tile size exponent and the tile size exponent to lateral span lookup table. To get the global lateral span, we need to take the local lateral and multiply by 5 because there's a 5 by 5 grid of levels in a level pack, and then by 3 because there's a 3 by 3 grid of level packs in the DOM. That'll give us the global lateral span. We need to extract the bit flags from XYD. The X, Y, and D bit flags are in network bit order, so we just have to shift over by 2, 1, and 0 respectively before masking them out with a binary 1. This flag tells us if we already put the original non-transformed GTX, GTY into the tile map or not. Then we're going to loop through X, Y, and D. This stands for mirroring on the X, mirroring on the Y, and whether or not we're doing high density mirroring or not. OK is true, and then we have this branch of code for bilateral light mirroring, this branch of code for bilateral dense, this branch of code for bilateral light, this branch of code for bilateral Y dense, this branch of code for the non-transform coordinate we want to put, and then we're going to skip if nothing else was, if we didn't activate any of those branches, OK is false, and then we're not going to do the tile setting code. Otherwise, we are going to do the tile setting code. And here's what we did previously, and then here's all our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. We got to get out of here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.